The father accused of murdering his 3 young sons returned to a Claremont County courtroom today. Local 12's Christian Hauser was there as Chad Doerman's attorneys argued for a gag order in this case. He joins us now with what the judge decided on that matter. Christian.
Yeah, Kyle, this was mainly a procedural hearing for Chad Doerman and his attorneys. The most consequential issue today, though, was that judge granting a gag order for attorneys for the duration of the court proceedings. Now, the defense argued that prosecutor Mark DeColve had made a prejudicial and inflammatory statement when he told the media it was his goal to get Doerman executed. Now, the judge didn't go so far as to say that attorneys could not speak to the media entirely, but he did limit them to only what was to be discussed during open court hearings. So what that means is if an issue doesn't come up during a hearing, attorneys can't speak about it to the media. Now, this is pretty standard actually for any high-profile case to just try and keep that jury pool as untainted as possible. And once proceedings begin, most attorneys won't talk anyways, so they don't say something they shouldn't. Meanwhile, you'll remember that Doerman is accused of shooting and killing his 7, 4, and 3-year-old boys last month in their Monroe Township home. Investigators say that Doerman has admitted to the murders when he was interviewed with sheriff's deputies. Now, the prosecutor says that he will aggressively seek the death penalty if Doerman is convicted. Now, the rest of today's hearing focused on a few housekeeping issues. Because this is a potential death penalty case, there are a lot of extra issues which must be dealt with as this proceeds. Chad Doerman is not expected back in court until September.